They came seeking answers, stars, planets, new frontiers, but what they found was isolation, silence, and a reminder that space does not forgive mistakes. Welcome back to AstroVerse, the channel where space becomes thrilling, science becomes storytelling, and the future unfolds before your eyes. Today's journey into the chilling reality of stranded astronauts. Not just a science fiction anymore, but an ever-present risk in our cosmic ambitions. Outer space is vast, a near-perfect vacuum where communication, rescue, and survival are anything but guaranteed. When astronauts venture beyond Earth, they rely on precision. Physics, engineering, and human coordination must work in perfect harmony. A single error, however small, can tip the balance toward catastrophe. From the Apollo missions to the International Space Station, we've seen how even minor issues can spiral into life-threatening crises. Think about it. A misfired thruster, a navigational error, or a damaged communication system could turn a routine mission into a desperate bid for survival. Let's talk facts. There have already been close calls. In 1970, Apollo 13 suffered a catastrophic oxygen tank explosion. The world watched as 3 astronauts looped around the moon, not to land, but to survive. It was only through ingenuity, calm leadership, and help from Earth that they made it back alive. Fast forward to more recent times. The Soyuz MS-10 launch in 2018 aborted mid-flight due to a rocket failure. Thanks to emergency systems, the crew survived. But what if they hadn't? And in orbit, the ISS has faced micrometeoroid threats, software glitches, and hardware failures, all with stranded potential. Now imagine this: a crew on Mars, 225 million kilometers away. No quick return. No real-time communication. Just them and the red planet. If a critical system fails on Mars, a life support module breaks down, a rocket malfunctions, or a dust storm cripples solar panels, there's no backup ride home. They'd be stranded in a truly alien world. NASA's Artemis and SpaceX's ambitions to land humans on Mars by the 2030s will demand solutions we've never tested. Building self-sustaining habitats, creating autonomous rescue systems, and learning how to live off Earth, not just visit it. So, what happens if astronauts are stranded? Rescue in orbit is complex but possible. The ISS has Soyuz and Crew Dragon capsules on standby. But the farther we go, the harder it becomes. Scientists are now exploring rescue drones, space tugs, and AI-guided supply pods that could autonomously seek out stranded astronauts. One fascinating idea? Fuel depots, orbiting the Moon or Mars, allowing stranded crews to refuel and return. But building this infrastructure is still decades away. Some engineers even propose robot crews trained to repair human systems remotely, or spacecraft that double as rescue shelters with months of backup supplies. Astronauts are trained for the unimaginable. From medical emergencies to fire, depressurization, and total communication loss, they rehearse failure every day. But no amount of training can prepare them emotionally for being truly alone in the dark. It's a test of not just science, but spirit, of courage in isolation, of hope in the face of cosmic silence. Despite the risks, the dream of exploration drives us forward. With each mission, we learn. With each challenge, we adapt. New propulsion systems, such as ion drives and nuclear thermal rockets, may drastically reduce travel time, making rescue more feasible. Quantum communication may one day offer instantaneous contact across vast distances. Space agencies and private companies are now designing modular systems, reusable landers, portable habitats, and emergency escape plans. Because every great journey must have a way back. In the end, the story of stranded astronauts isn't just about danger, it's about resilience, the human ability to find light, even in the vastness of space. If we ever find ourselves lost among the stars, may we also find the strength to return. You've been watching AstroVerse, where science meets soul. Subscribe and join us again as we explore the wonders, the risks, and the dreams written in the fabric of the cosmos.